Hello, everyone. Welcome to our talk about coordination and collaboration, how the volunteer mods work as a team in live streaming communities. Live streaming as a global type of online community provides ways for thousands of viewers to entertain and engage with the streamer in real time in the chat room. While the streamer has a camera on and the screen shared, tens of thousands of viewers are watching and messaging in real time, resulting in concerns about harassment and cyberbullying to the streamer. Twitch is a leading live streaming platform and consists of thousands of streaming channels. Each streamer develops a micro-community with the help of volunteer moderators. This is an example of how an individual mod helps a streamer moderate the chat room. It shows how the mod did a lot of stuff, such as checking viewers' profiles, deleting messages, and banning viewers. There is limited understanding about volunteer mods as a team. So in this study, we focus on volunteer mods led by the streamer to form a moderation team and explore how they work together to moderate the chat messages and viewers in an interactive environment. This study aims to answer two questions. How do mods collaborate on moderation tasks in the moderation team? And how do mods contribute to community moderation standards? We use moderation standard to indicate what mods follow to conduct moderation, including the explicit rules, like chat rules and Twitch community guidelines, and the implicit norms among the moderation team. We conducted semi-structured interviews through Discord with 40 volunteer mods on Twitch. We used the semantic analysis to code answers into concepts and group the relevant concepts into themes. To answer the first research question, first, there are three ways to coordinate and prepare off-stream. Off the stream, the streamer and the other mods purposely recruited new mods from different time zones to cover the streamer's streaming slot, as this mod said. The streamer or the head mods also notified the team to prepare for streaming events. Mods also informed streamers if they couldn't attend events or streaming. Mods also updated each other off the stream about the streaming or chat in general. Those updates usually happened in Discord with text messages so that everyone in the team could see them. Second, there are three ways to collaborate in real time in the stream. In the stream, mods and streamers involved a lot of communication. Well, mainly third-party platforms like Discord. First, mods share information in the team so each team member was well informed and notified during the moderation process, such as a shared list of repeated violators, a full list of information that the team could refer to in specific situations. Second, mods work on moderation tasks, will ask other active mods for support if necessary, and coordinate tasks with other mods before leaving. Third, to ensure moderation democracy and not make decisions by one single mod, mods would like to involve other mods to discuss what they should do and achieve a consensus, as this mod said. Third, foster relationship both off-stream and in-stream to reinforce task collaboration. Mods try to build friendship with others and believe that communication was important because the relationships could facilitate task collaboration and avoid team conflict, like this mod said. To answer the second research question, first, there are two ways to collaboratively work with the streamer on the explicit community rulebook, including chat rules, channel rules, and a complete list of rules and records only visible to the moderation team. They assisted the streamer to update the rulebook through discussion with the streamer if the streamer initialized it, or worked with the streamer or the head mod to establish the rulebook if the community do not have one. Second, if streamers didn't have a rulebook or didn't want to, mods figure out the moderation standards in three ways. First, mods use the streamer's expectations and their experience as implicit guidelines. Second, some mods refer to similar communities with either clear rules or observed community norms. Third, Twitch keeps updating the community guidelines, which are more complete than the channel rules. Some mods preferred to stick to the complete community-wide guidelines instead of the channel-specific rules. There are several takeaways from this study. First, the rulebook includes the visible chat and the channel rules to the public, and a list of details and shared documents to handle specific situations that are only visible to the moderation team. While the visible rulebook helps regulate viewers' behaviors, the rulebook for the team's internal references might play a prominent role for mods to do tasks. Second, volunteer mods are not paid laborers or have no forced schedule to work with the streamer. We found that there's no specific role regarding the task collaboration except that the head mods assign and notify things. Many mods state that being active online is important and that the task is more like first come, first served, without fixed roles and responsibilities. Third, the synchronicity of live streaming brings all the active mods online at the same time with the same content, facilitates explicit and implicit coordination, and makes moderation function smoothly without clear roles and responsibilities. Last, the streamer and volunteer mods form an effective team. The collaboration and technology are ready, the common ground is clearly built, the dependency of work is varied but mostly loose. Thus, remote collaboration is generally effective to some extent, though mods experience some challenges. Based on the challenges they face, we provide several suggestions to simplify the tools they have used to switch back and forth and to reduce cost of collaboration, like coordination support and design, rulebook development design, and relationship building design. Those features are not necessary to moderation teamwork, and should be integrated into the ecosystem of live streaming platform by either Twitch or third-party developer. Thank you for your attention.